Orange and tangerine is finally in season. Yes, this is the time for orange and tangerine. And as we are planning to say goodbye to all the wonderful grapes and thank God for all his blessings. Oh God, I so much enjoyed grape this season. Guys, plum is also going. We are also saying goodbye to plums. And yes, we are still having plums in the shop, but I think this is just I think in the next few days or weeks, we will not be able to find them at the cheaper rate in the shop. And grapes also, but this is also the right time for you to just stock up your freezer, okay? It is very, very necessary. And guys, guess the season we are going into. We are going into the season of oranges. Yes, I am super, super excited because this is the time you can actually enjoy your oranges and very sweet ones, tangerine oranges. So guys, we are going to be juicing today, and this juice, I call it high in dietary dairy. If you do not want to get your milk on all of that, this is a very, very nice way to get your vitamin C's, dietary dairy, potassium, without taking all the chemicals there in the market. So first of all, you are going to clean up all your oranges. Guys, do not, I see a lot of people blend oranges, tangerine with the bark. Guys, if you know this scratches your mouth, that means you are allergic to it. Please do not blend it. Okay, you can do lemon bark, not a lot of it. Okay, when you are doing shots, you can put with the lemon bark. Yeah, you can, but when it comes to orange and tangerine, please do not blend it with the bark. Make sure you take away the bark. Okay guys, this is my juicer. I have two juicers in this house, and this is my favorite juicer because you can actually get juice from this juicer. And I am heartbroken right now because after fixing this juicer is about 3 months old and it has spoiled, is no longer working. I'm planning to call them, and thank God I have this juicer that I've had for 3 good years. The only thing about this juicer is it doesn't juice things very, very well. There's some food that doesn't juice very well. It juices, look at this, I have just finished the grape, and you can see that the grape, look at the juice, the kind of juice that I got. I didn't get a clear juice. I got something that had a lot of fiber in it, which is also okay and good. I can always use it. This juicer is from Philip, and it is best for citrus fruit. If you are juicing plums, please don't juice a lot of plums inside, because this plums has a lot of carbohydrates. It is very, very thick and ripe. Okay, so but if you're using something like lemon, tangerines, orange juice, this juicer will juice it very well. Okay, this is the best juicer for things like, but if you're juicing things like cucumber, you're juicing things like plums, all those things, you cannot, those kind of thick fruit, you cannot juice. So after juicing, because of the plums, it got blocked, and I didn't want to, I think, is it blocked or stopped? You can see this part is stopped, and what I normally do is to remove it and then pour the juice out. You can see how, okay, this is everything that got stopped and the juice could not come out, and this is the one that did not come out at all. I'm not going to throw it away. I am still going to use it. So this is all that I got from this juice. I will not call it juice anymore because it is very, very thick to be referred as juice. But if you are looking for something to use, this is something that you can use to get all your nutrients, and it is nice. So this is all that I got. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, do not forget to comment, like, and share. Until I see you next time. Bye.